Sustainable, fair and cruelty-free are the three pillars of my work. Interested in fashion and driven by a social and environmental conscience, I've been looking for more ethical alternatives. It was in the land of my origins, in the heart of the MADOAK, that I discovered a unique tree of its kind, the cork oak. Its thick and powerful cork bark has the capacity to regenerate itself once extracted. This cork, harvested with respect for the tree, is a natural treasure for the Portuguese economy. Eager to discover more, I headed along the Cork Road. Come with me. Once harvested, the cork planks are cleaned, selected and cut by hand. Stored for a few days in the open air, they will go through a long transformation process to make a good quality cork fabric. This fabric, natural or dyed, has many properties. It is vegan, light, soft, resistant and water repellent. My journey leads me to a local craftsman who are experts in making cork fashion accessories. Everything is meticulously handcrafted in the respect of tradition with attention to detail. I've pre-selected for you models of bags, wallets, jewels and other kinds of accessories. Each craftsman has his own artistic style, from the most classic to the most fanciful, suitable for women and men. Convinced that changes are made by choice, I am pleased to offer you trendy cork fashion accessories that respect our planet, humans and animals. Take part in this positive change and choose MADOAK.